What is vibe coding? According to Google, vibe coding is a software development approach popularized by AI researcher Andrej Karpathy in early 2025, where a developer guides an AI assistant to generate functional code from natural language prompts rather than writing it manually. In summary, that just means that you can command AI to make code for you without having to code yourself, thus meaning that you will be able to save time and brain power and get better results than what you would have done while coding by hand. In order to do this, we will have to go over 3 basic easy steps. Step 1 is make an idea. Let's say I want to make an app called Procrastinote, which is the revolutionary app that recognizes your favorite pastime hobby to procrastinate. Now, let's say I want to make this idea and I want to vibe code it. First step is make an idea. But why do I need a clear idea? Well, when vibe coding, most apps run on a credit system. So that basically means that you will have a certain amount of credits, which means you have a limited amount of time where you can make code. Thus, you want to save those credits in order to make the most out of making vibe code. Step number 2, describe your idea to an AI-powered coder. Specifically, Windsurf is one of the more beginner-friendly ones, and I have been using that for a while, and it is great. So in order to give our idea to Procrastinote to Windsurf, we will have to describe the idea to the AI model embedded in Windsurf. And this process is called prompt engineering. Now, what is prompt engineering? Well, according to Google, prompt engineering means the art and science of crafting effective inputs or prompts to guide AI systems, particularly large language models, to generate accurate, relevant, and desired outputs. If you got no idea what that meant, don't worry, you're in good company. Basically, it just means to get the best possible response possible by using a variety of different ways. And LLM stands for large language model, but think of it basically like a chatbot. So an LLM, as you can tell, large language model, is a language-derived AI. It responds to you and you talk to it by using language. That is why it's called a large language model. Pretty straightforward. Step 3, debug and edit. Debug means to solve any issues, which is called a bug, thus it's called debugging, getting rid of bugs. And editing, as most people hopefully know what it means just means to change things around until it's just how you want it. Okay, so summary. We just went over the 3 basic easy steps for vibe coding, which were, step 1, come up with an idea. Step 2, describe to an AI-driven coder like Windsurf by prompt engineering it. And step 3, debugging and editing it to get the best possible response possible. Now that was the first steps to vibe coding, and next up we will go into a more in-depth lesson in prompt engineering. Bye.